Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good today. Today we are doing some DIY. I am going to be showing you how to make an overlapped pillowcase. And by overlapped, I mean that there is another cover. No one can actually see what is inside. So if you need a bedroom revamp, or if you're thinking of a gift to give to your friends and families, why not try this? It is actually advisable that you use a cotton fabric when making the pillowcase, especially for the kids, because it is a breathable material. But if you're thinking of something luxury or something more fancy, then you can use satin, silk, and whatever fabric of your choice. So if this is something that you like to see, let's get to it. This is the fabric that I'll be using. It is a cotton fabric. And what you need is to get the length and the width of your pillow. For this pillow, which is an average size, if you measure the length, you have about 25 inches. And if you measure the width, you have about 17 inches. So that is what we need. Length 25, width 17. To know the amount of fabric that you will need, multiply your length by 2. 25 times 2, that is 50. Then add extra 9 inches, that is 59 inches. That means that you need the fabric that is 59 inches long. So you get your fabric and then you fold it into 2 like this. Folding it into 2, that is 29.5, right? I'm going to mark 29.5. Okay, make it into a straight line. The next thing you're going to measure is the width of the pillow. 17 plus 1, that is 18. So from the edge, I'm going to measure 18 inches. Cut it out. So guys, this is the amount of fabric that I need for this pillowcase. You know it's on fold. So I have 59 inches by 18 inches. So open up the fabric and then you come to the edge, fold it 2 times and then hem it straight down. The other part as well, fold it to the wrong side 2 times, okay, and then you sew it straight down. So I used 1 inch to hem it. I folded 0.5 inch 2 times. That is 1 inch for this side and 1 inch for this side. This is the wrong side of the fabric. The next thing you're going to do is to turn it to the right side. Now come to one edge and measure 7 inches down. So you can notch it on that 7-inch mark. Fold it on that 7-inch mark using this notch that you made. And then you bring the other end of the fabric. Bring the other end of the fabric and put it over. Okay, it should be touching this folded part. Okay, and then you pin it down. Now with 1/2 inch seam allowance, sew down. Come here as well, sew down with 1/2 inch seam allowance. This is the pillowcase. All right, so turn it to the right side, inside out, okay? And then you can use a pin to bring this corner out. Put your pillow inside. You see this part that is folded? Fold it over like this. And then you poke the corner as well. And here you go. This is the pillowcase and this is the overlap. Ensure that you iron your pillowcase after sewing. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions as well, drop it. I'm going to respond to it. So make yours and enjoy it. Take good care of yourself. Till we see you again next time. Bye.